walk away. Ladies, let us now look at when he is emotionally unavailable. This man doesn't open up to you. This man, he avoids deep conversations. Whenever you decide to express your feelings, he shuts down. This man never reassures you, but he just expects you to go with the flow. Ladies, a man who is emotionally unavailable is like a locked door. You keep knocking, but he ain't letting you in. Ladies, when is it time for you to run? If months are passing and he is still closed off, distant, or emotionally shut down, leave. You are not a therapist, and you deserve a man who can meet you emotionally. When to run? When he talks about building, but he never moves. I just need a little time to get my things together. Let's just see where things goes. Soon we will be good. Just be patient with me. These are some of the things that this man will say. You're not getting anywhere with him. Ladies, there is a difference between a man who is really working towards something and a man who is just talking. When is it time to run? If he has been building for years and you have not seen any movement, stop waiting. He is wasting your time. Another reason to run: when you are the only one putting in the effort. You text first, you plan the dates, you check on him. But this man, ladies, he barely checks on you. You support him and he gives you nothing in return. Ladies, a relationship should feel like a partnership, not a one-woman show. When is it time to run? When you know so you must run. If you feel like you are the only one carrying the relationship,